Everyone's worried AI will take their job, but what if that's not the real threat at all?
Yeah, that fear is probably misplaced. The real danger isn't the AI itself.
See, this isn't just about some new tech. It's a total shift in how we get work done.
It all comes down to something called personal leverage. So what does that even mean?
Basically, leverage is your new AI-powered superpower, and it's creating a brand new divide.
The gap isn't between companies anymore. It's between two people in the very same job.
So let's see how this actually looks. You've got the old way, and then the new AI way.
Okay, picture two salespeople. They have the exact same experience, same role, totally equal.
The first one does everything from scratch, just pure manual effort, the way it's always been done.
The second one, they use AI to knock out proposals in minutes, but here's the kicker.
All that free time? They're not just creating anymore. They're strategizing, perfecting the actual pitch. So, same job. Who do you think gets better results? The answer is pretty obvious, right? And we're not talking a small difference here. The gap in their output just gets wider and wider.
So let's be super clear. The real risk isn't the AI itself.
It's the risk of just staying put, while the baseline for good work completely changes.
Because AI is literally redefining what good looks like. The old way just won't cut it anymore.
The definition of good work is changing right now. The real question is, are you changing with it?